Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and it's the start of a new month, so that means new icon packs for March 2018. This is going to be part 1, but there's going to be 3 parts this month, so let's take a look. So first up we have the Delta icon pack. Now you're going to get around 1500 custom icons and 69 cloud wallpapers. Now the thing that I like about this icon pack is someone made it in a semester break, which is really awesome. So during a school break they thought, I'm going to make an icon pack, and that's how we got Delta. Now as you can see from the icons, they're very desaturated, but they're also very detailed as well, and they go nice with pretty much any setup. If you've got an AMOLED screen, they may not necessarily look great because they're not the brightest icons, but in general they're really detailed. You've got a ton of different options in regards to custom icons, and they're actually really nice. So next up we have Duotone. Now you've got just over 4,000 custom icons and 58 cloud wallpapers, and with these icons you've got some really nice variety. Not necessarily in the shape of the icons, but more in terms of the colours. You're going to find some applications here that are going to be a completely different colour to what you're used to, like Google Chrome for example is a completely different colour to the stock application, as is Google Drive. Now you can see also from the colour palette that they try to kind of use the same colour across each icon, so they're not really varied in regards to tons of different colours and tons of detail, but you've got some really nice gradient, and I like the fact that every icon has a nice round bold design to it. Which then brings us on nicely to FlatX. Now this is a really nice material design icon pack. Now it's quite a new icon pack. You've only got around 280 icons currently with around 11 wallpapers, but you do also have some Super widgets included as well, which is something that I'm starting to see more and more with icon packs. Now this sticks really closely to the material design formula of Google, and they're really bright, really vibrant, but that's not necessarily an issue for me having an AMOLED screen. You've got nice variety in regards to the applications themselves, so they stick very much to the standard shape of the application that you'll find in the Play Store. So for instance, as an example, I don't have it installed now, but Evernote looks exactly as it would do in the Play Store, and it looks the same with the FlatX icon pack, which is really nice, and it also sticks to the material design of what Google is doing now on the Pixel 2 with the rounded icons for the majority of Google applications. And then lastly we have the Splendid icon pack. Again, a relatively new icon pack with around 323 icons and 9 cloud wallpapers, but these ones again following the material design of the previous icon pack that we've just taken a look at, but in my opinion a little bit better. Now I do like the fact that there is a ton of variety in regards to the icons themselves, so they're not all a uniform shape or colour or design, and some of the icons in my opinion actually look a little bit better, like the Google Plus icon for example. However, you do have some alternative icon packs as well, so with the icon for Instagram for example, at the moment I've got a blue gradient design as you can see, but you can also just have the standard purple to orange hue that it has in the stock application. But overall, a really nice icon pack, some really nice colours on an AMOLED screen, and they're extremely detailed icons as well, although some of them are a little bit strange, like the YouTube Studio application just has a guy waving, which I'm not 100% sure of. However, there are alternatives within the icon pack that you can choose from if you want to. And that's going to do it guys for this video on part 1 of the top Android icon packs for March 2018. As I mentioned, there's going to be 2 more parts coming up this month with 4 icon packs in each. However, in April and moving forward, if you guys have got any recommendations for Android icon packs, let me know in the comments section down below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass, and I'll do my best to cover as many icon packs that I can, because I know that customizing Android is something that you guys really enjoy, so I want to stay on top of it as much as I can. I've also created a brand new playlist for any Android customization videos that I've done here on the channel, and that's going to be linked also down in the description below, where you'll also find the subscribe button. So if you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so, and once you've got subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I post a new video. As always, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.